Hi yo, let's make some breakfast. Yep, let's go it down. Oops. I never learned how to crack an egg, so we are doing it this way. You can actually do it like that. The struggle is real. Bombastic side eye. I'll salt it up. That's enough. I go manually with the fork usually. Pure liquids. My pan is warm because it's been on. I'll put in a little oil and then we go from there. Whee! I'm gonna use a little of this black pepper. Don't spill my stuff. Okay, I am trying out this hands-free thing. I am excited and we're gonna see how it goes. That's really a lot. Okay, we fixed the oil situation. And we're going in. Moja mbili tatu. Wee. That's numbers in Kiswahili. Just assumed my head, because why not? Woo! You get your proteins in. Yay! I don't know why I'm craving egg. I barely eat eggs. But we're gonna go for eggs today. Look at that. I think this is something everybody knows how to do, eggs. It was the first thing I learned to make as a young chef. It is actually true. Because I loved eggs. Got my platter. Gonna plate it up. Looks ready. Not further. Ta-dan, ta-dan, ta-dan. Now I have some stuff I want to eat today. And we got our guacamole. I pinched it. They come with a tag. They do. Oops. This knife is sharper than me. Yep, it is. Look at all these avocados. Did I pinch it? No, I didn't. Who likes guacamole? It's full of nutrients too. One of the good source of fat, since it's a plant and it's a plant oil. Natural oil. I messed up my tomato. Yep, I'll go get a towel. Alrighty, she's back. Like I said, this knife is sharper than you. You might lose a finger or two. Man, I love tomatoes. And this one is fresh. Look at that. Seeds of, I don't know what that is called, but it's good looking tomato. Fresh. They are also a healthy fruit. It's not a vegetable. I got a lime since no lemons. I'll put a little of this. Look at that. Yep. Definitely alkaline. It is. Alrighty. And when I'm done, done. I got a plate full of, well, good health, first of all. I want to salt my tomato a little bit. And that is it. That's how the magic happens. Let's see. This is what we made. Oh, residue is... That's avocado, you know. Okay. There are the eggs. I usually put ketchup on mine. For some reason I do. Makes it tastier. Grab my knife. My fork. Going in. Ooh, look at that. That is a bite for ages. And the tomato is juicy as I expected it to be. Bon appetit. Wow. If this is not healthy, I don't know what is. Hands down, thumbs up. Bon appetit. Let's go.